My people, e don set again oh, e don set again. Wetin we no go see for inside this social media? Hey! Wetin we no go use this our eyes and ear take hear for inside social media? My people, this life e deep oh, e deep well well. We no know where e dey come, we no know where e dey go. This life as e take deep, we no know the beginning and we no go still know the end of this life. My people, hey, nothing wey we no go hear for inside social media oh. They say wetin you never see, you never reach there. They say this life na turn by turn. When your turn come, you go collect, no be lie. Hey, na confirm. They say first to do, e no dey pay. Second to do, na im dey pay pass. Hey, my people. Tori wey I carry come give una today, my people, na between Olakoko from Victor and Ebony Obasuyi. Una know say inside last year or last 2 years, na im Olakoko come out, e come dey disgwangwan Ebony. Come tell Ebony say Ebony carry somebody money, e no gree return am. Secondly, say Ebony dey do vaga anyhow. My people, where we go talk this matter reach? Hey, that time Ebony come pretend like say she no hear wetin dey sup for inside social media. Yesterday, guess what, my people? Guess what? Mona tell me, guess what? Na Ebony come out to na know say since last week stroke this week na Olakoko tori full everywhere. My people, hey, the matter come me frank say Olakoko e dey carry im wife. My people, na inside social media for hear am oh. I no dey there where they for talk am. Na inside social media na for hear am. They come talk say Olakoko dey carry im wife. They dey inside escort. Una know wetin they dey call escort. Now most people go know escort. For Sweden, many girls from other country, na wetin I be think. I no know say Sweden women still dey do this thing. Many girls from other country, they come this country, they will come work for that escort. Escort na for online, they go put their picture for online. Oyibo will dey call them. Sometimes Oyibo will come meet them. Sometimes they will go meet Oyibo. Na it be the escort. Now we come here say Olakoko wife dey inside. They even do threesome with the babe when come talk the matter. Una sure say this babe, she go just come out. Some people say the babe dey lie. Mo leave Ebony side for one side. Ebony matter for one side, we will continue from Ebony side. Some people say na lie. This babe come and say na she with Olakoko wife. Na two of them do the matter together. They carry one man. Two of them can't do vaga the man together. The man can't give them a go. My people, una believe that word, say that word na lie. How person go just hate somebody rich? You go come say you won't put that kind of life for somebody head. My people, as the matter come out, Olakoko come out, he come say, my people, make una no vex o, abeg, make una help am. Say he won't go Nigeria, make they go do am as they take they do the thing. When your wife fornicate, you carry and go Africa, they go do the traditional thing for the woman body so that it no go affect the man. He can't dey beg for media, he can't dey beg for Facebook, say I beg, make una help me, make him for do the normal thing, my people. This social media things dey oh. No wonder they call this social media depression killer. This social media na depression killer, no be lie. If you dey think, enter social media, throw away the think, who think help, my people? Na so Olakoko talk am o. Yesterday evening, na Ebony come out. Ebony come say, hey, Olakoko, where you dey? Come out. My people, we go listen to Ebony. Olakoko, where you dey? Make you come out. Because some years ago, you dey use my name for inside this social media. You spoil my name anyhow. You say Ibi Ashewo. You call her different kind of name. So you get wife when you dey still dey send go appear. So you still dey send your wife dey go appear. My people, not be small matter o. Na Ebony we dey hold since yesterday say may abeg leave Olakoko. Leave Olakoko. Ebony say lie. She no go leave Olakoko. He go disgwangwan Olakoko See, Olakoko, everything when he talk for her body, Olakoko will come and beg her. Hey, my people, wetin una think? Make we listen to this Ebony video. But before we go, may I not forget to welcome my people, my amazing people. Hey, my amazing people. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. According to your time, according to your location, I greet the house, I greet everybody. Welcome back to Commenters Analyzer. My people, where we for the analyze everything, anything when fry pass with the analyzer. So my people, if today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe to this channel, please do your sister a favor by dropping down your amazing subscribers on your notification bell in case whenever we drop any video, una go see our video. Let me remind you all that subscription is free. Do your sister a favor by dropping down your amazing subscriber. That your one subscriber, it go do me a lot. God bless you all. Let's listen to Ebony Obasuyi. Hey, wahala de.
Kevin, so this guy has been a married man all this one and in social media. Kevin. So, Kevin, you were married? Kevin, Olakoko, you be married man. Ah! Kevin,
my people, now see why sometimes if matter come media when you know say your old day your body or they say where you never reach, I don't know as they make that parable. Get one parable where our elder they make that time. This life, you no need to bully anybody. If matter come media, talk as you go fit talk and reach. Not be say you come tie rapper, put the matter for your head. You say you no go rest. Which your whole day your body, it dey very bad. Because that time when Olakoko dey bully Ebony, you no wan rest for the matter. They come out pian. You don't know say one day your own go come out where everybody go see carry. If you enter Facebook, my people, hey, anywhere when you go now, Olakoko, so your wife na this, so your wife na that. My people, let's continue with Ebony.
Kevin, so you had a wife all this while? You had the guts, the infantry, the temerity to insult someone like me on social media?
Oh my God.
And you were using your wife for prostitution?
Akuna. That's what have you.
Kevin Olakoko. Kevin Olakwe. No Olakoko di ofan. Ọba heke no mo we gbe la woro re nke ya ku. O e to dakan. Ogun hin agbuwe. Kevin. Ye re do asa we. Ye re do asa we because o kere gbe yi wari na mo wari ya mo your mates. O si na nwa agewe. In the past 6 months, you consistently talked about me for evil on social media. I have
imagine, my people, good 6 months you carry somebody matter, you talk, you no gree rest. Even though they pay you to do that kind of video, when you talk 1, 2, 3, you rest. Even 3 says too much. Unless when the person continue to they do that thing, you can't come out for the person. Imagine good 6 months. Imagine, no wonder. I say we don't beg Ebony tire. Ebony say, lie, oh, I no go rest for this matter. I go see where this matter go reach. Imagine, my people. I don't know how some men for this Europe today. No wonder their eye they always die for woman money. If they see say woman get money, if you never release that money for them, that relationship not the sweet at all. Until you release that money for them, which is they very bad. How can a man when get wife when you get not be girlfriend, even girlfriend, some men no go even agree make their girlfriend near another man. Wife when get children for you. I don't know how true this matter be, but na inside social media na for hearing. When get children for you, wife when they with you for house. When you they use ordinary pre they enter. You know they wear stockings when you they go that paradise. You go send that your wife, make she go outside, make go do akuna, make go do ashi wele come. Europe women, we need to wise up. Europe women, we need to open our eyes wise, because men are using us. Say no to bully. Say no to man when they use men. Men they use us too much. Una need to open our eyes. Which kind of love una dey find? If woman not marry, me say you not dey life again. If you not see better man for here, go Africa, you'll see better man marry. We will respect you as a woman, as a wife. If you never give all these men money for abroad, they know they call you, say you be their wife. You see all these girls, now so that some girls say, God, now girls cause all these things. If they not first start and they pack their money, they pump, they give man. I not see the reason why man, when marry woman put for house, you see send that same woman may go outside, may go do akuna come for you. Imagine a pride, God forbid.
Never set my eyes on you before. I do not know you. My path have never crossed with you. Oh fuck. I have respect for my mom.
Imagine.
Olakoko. Olakoko are your mates. Una arove your wokungwe. Kama is a bitch, Kama is a bitch. I wanna assault Olakoko.
Come on, a bitch. People don't understand that words. People don't understand this life. They say come and not they come and they. If you they do good, continue to they do your good, because tomorrow you'll receive that good in 100,000 times. If you they do bad, continue to they do your bad. Tomorrow you go receive your bad wotowoto. Tomorrow now come they cry say una no know wetin dey happen. Which una know wetin dey happen? My people. Hey, when she dey bully, when this man, when he dey bully Ebony Obasuyi last year for good 6 months, he no know say one day say go reach his turn today. He no know. Now so this life be me when they talk anyhow now. Me when they here they talk. I dey chook mouth for people matter. If I not still behave well, my matter go still come out for this social media. People go still beat me to no bad nonsense. Now so this life be. Or segbe or emi yakin according to Benin people. Let's regard it.
That's people where you are coming the bell. You are a bastard. Olakoko in Nigeria. Because of Buera visual.
Olakoko don dey beg money say won't come Nigeria. You they say I like Nigeria. Obiara don dey beg money say make social media help am. Say he won't come Nigeria. You they tell her say may not enter Nigeria. Beg go, not talk like that. Okay.
Olakoko, if you see me for life, for grant, Oguno kill you. May you look my face. Oguno kill you. Now make as a ignore now. I'm sorry, I'm not going to be reading comments. I'm not in that mood right now because I'm angry. Olakoko, now let me tell you, I'm not bragging about this. I have never watched you on a live video. You are too small. Who can it be? If you waiting him in time, I don't know where you because you got home or so. Oh, we never watch a live video. No, no, no. We are beg the beg that boy. You don't worry about that. We are beg of walking out boy. Olakoko, so we never go to the ticket. Oh, okay, ọgbọ́n kúkú kí yá kẹ́ ibi ẹ̀rẹ̀ náà rọ́gbà ní mẹ́rin wọ̀nyá àwọn ẹ̀kẹ́ àwọ̀ ẹ̀wẹ́ ní yá tó ní ti gbọ́n lóyún yàtọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ wa ẹ̀gbẹ́ náà rẹ́kọ̀ ẹ̀kẹ́ olú yà kí yà gbó ẹ̀ òun ẹ̀gbẹ́ yà rẹ̀ kí olú yà gbó ẹ̀ òun ẹ̀gbẹ́ yà rẹ̀ ní gbọ́dọ̀ gà gbó ẹ̀ òun ẹ̀gbẹ́ yà rẹ̀ kí sàgà gbó ẹ̀ òun kà ṣe ẹ̀gbẹ́ ní yà sọ ọ̀gbó ẹ̀ ọ̀kìwú kì mìíràn yẹ gbẹ̀wẹ̀gbẹ́ òun ẹ̀gbẹ́ ọ̀tọ̀ gbó wa ẹ̀gbẹ́ gà rẹ̀ wọ̀ hàn gà kẹ́ ànàkú gbọ́ Olakoko wàdó sọ̀rọ̀ wa dọ́tẹ̀gbẹ̀ wà ìdẹ́fẹsẹ̀ wẹ̀kù. Where's oil? Olakoko, umana kuwa haweni yobare. Uwaye wo haweni tataga. Olakoko ukushwe. Ogohi agwe. Nobody come here. Nobody should try it. I don't want to receive anybody when you come here. I will block you. To your generation, nobody should come here. I'm not in that mood. Olakoko, you are a bastard. You came out life. Ogohi agwe. Ogohi agwe. When family asu kwa begeni egwe waga ahiebo ene waga adua waga ike ne wa do gbegwe why de koli akpa wa ipe
women na so I play and reach women make we still dey respect ourselves make we dey respect ourselves this kpekus wey God create you see where God go keep am he hide am he hide this kpekus. But we women, we go just, na so it be for us. We just open her like this. Which is dey very bad. Why we women not dey respect ourselves? Imagine a married woman. I don't know how true this matter be. Hey, make una not call my name. Na inside social media. Now for hear this matter. Imagine married woman. They escort. They do ashi wele, ashi pop. Which is dey very bad. Una know where una for come. If you know say you no wan marry, why not stay single so that you do your rubbish? You stay single so you go fit dey do your rubbish. After you enter marriage, you come your eyes still dey outside. Imagine the so-called husband when they marry them. So-called husband when they marry women when still they send they go outside. Ha! Una story see they smell. Una story for this social media, most women, most married women, their story they smell. Yeah, they smell. My people, what you think about this video? I know make my video reach 20 minutes. What you think about this video? God bless you. Or please don't forget to drop your comment on the comment section. We would like to see una comment. We would like to see what you think about the matter. Olakoko, Umenwan versus Ebony Obasuyi. We would like to see what you think. Ebony dey wrong when they comfort this man. He not dey wrong. Because this man felt bully Ebony. Now this Ebony turn to return all the old bully when if I give Ebony that time. It is time. So make we not beg Ebony again. Ebony, regade. I love your action. Regade. Even though you're not doing for 6 months, do it as a mature babe that you are. Do it just 1 week. Do it for just 1 week. My people, God bless you all. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Please, my amazing people, help me to like the video. Not free to like video now, beg. You guys are really trying. You guys are so amazing. I really they try for this my channel. The result I they get for this channel, I know if you expect them before. But you guys, una not let me fall. God bless you. You guys are so amazing. God bless you all. Please don't forget to like and share, and also help me to subscribe. If you are watching on YouTube, help me to follow the page and also like the page. Share to your loved ones. Stay blessed and see you all on our next video.